We are tracking details in a disturbing case out of Blair. Two 14-year-old boys facing charges for an adult crime.
And because of the nature of that crime, we're naming the boys. Jace Kleebach and Justin Greenlaw are being charged as adults for raping a girl close to their age.
Our Aaron Murray takes a look at the law and if adult charges are possible for 14-year-olds.
John Mallory, this affidavit says Greenlaw and Kleebach first attacked the girl outside of her apartment complex in Blair, right here on the front steps, It then goes on to say that the pair forced her inside, and at that point, this affidavit says that Greenlaw held her down and raped her while Kleebach stood by masturbating.
The affidavit is shocking. Two 14-year-olds, Jace Kleebach and Justin Greenlaw, accused of raping a young girl about the same age at this apartment complex in Blair. It's a tough case considering the boys' ages, but when the paperwork came across his desk, Washington County Attorney Scott Vanderschaft knew what he was going to ask.
Given the nature of the conduct and kind of the heinous nature of what happened, we believed it was appropriate to charge them in adult court.
But with new Nebraska laws, can 14-year-olds be tried as adults? The answer? Yes.
They've changed the law in the state of Nebraska, but the part that they didn't change is for Class 2, Class 3, and Class 1 felonies that you have the option, as long as the individual is 14 years or older, to charge them in adult court. And it was not a decision that we took lightly.
But it doesn't end here. Criminal defense lawyer Jim Schaefer says the boys will be given an option by the judge.
The judge at that time has to advise the juvenile that he has a right to have the case transferred to juvenile court.
If the kids choose to file for juvenile court, the burden then falls on the county attorney. In a hearing, they would have to show why it should remain in adult court. Reasons could be criminal records, public safety, violence, and so on.
But Vanderschaft is confident they have charged it correctly.
If Judge Samuelson, who is our county judge, believes that this needs to be handled in juvenile court, then that's where it'll be handled.
Now for the question of if these boys have any criminal history, we did ask, but the county attorney says he doesn't want to comment on that yet because right now this may be transferred or has the potential to be transferred to juvenile court. He kind of wants to keep that information private. He says if the charges do remain in adult court, at that point he then would be willing to share any information if there is some. Reporting here live with photographer Nick Bohan, Aaron Murray, WOWT 6 News.